Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla screen pixel dropouts and the likely reasons that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, the center display or instrument screen may show pixel dropouts, dead pixels, horizontal or vertical lines, or small areas where image output is missing or inconsistent. These visual defects can appear intermittently or remain constant and may become more noticeable on bright or uniform backgrounds. The vehicle remains drivable, but display clarity and usability can be affected. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, display hardware generation, software version, and operating conditions. Verified information shows that one documented reason involves display panel aging and manufacturing tolerance. LCD and OLED panels rely on dense pixel arrays and internal driver circuitry. Over time, individual pixels, rows, or columns can fail due to component aging, heat exposure, or tolerance variation within the panel. These failures are typically hardware-related and may progress gradually or appear suddenly. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Electrical and connection-related factors are also documented. The display depends on ribbon cables, connectors, and controller boards to transmit image data. Intermittent connections, connector degradation, or signal integrity issues can cause partial pixel loss or flickering that may change with temperature, vibration, or cabin conditions. Software-related behavior has also been reviewed. Tesla software manages display rendering and refresh processes. In some situations, temporary rendering glitches or driver-level issues may resemble pixel dropouts. As a possible contributing factor, recent software updates or background system activity could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Thermal and environmental conditions further influence display behavior. High cabin temperatures, prolonged direct sunlight exposure, or rapid temperature changes can affect display performance or make existing pixel defects more visible. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include restarting the display to rule out temporary software effects and monitoring whether pixel dropouts remain consistent across reboots. If pixel defects persist, spread, or remain fixed in the same location, service inspection is recommended. In confirmed hardware cases, replacement of the display module is generally required, as individual pixel failures cannot be repaired. Reviewed information indicates that screen pixel dropouts are not universal and most often relate to display hardware condition, connection integrity, or thermal exposure rather than a system-wide vehicle fault. In conclusion, Tesla screen pixel dropouts are generally linked to display panel aging, electrical connection issues, or occasional software rendering behavior rather than a malfunction of core vehicle systems. The issue varies by vehicle and conditions, and resolution depends on accurate diagnosis and appropriate service action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.